Hello and welcome to my channel, Shanette for Life. My channel is about my whole food, plant-based lifestyle transformation. I'll be sharing with you food preparation, easy plant-based meals, desserts, and snacks. I'll also be doing grocery hauls, motivational live streams, workout routines, and so much more. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. Oh, do I have a treat for you today. I'm going to be sharing with you this delicious comfort food, a delicious plant-based chicken pot pie. I'm going to be using some low sodium vegetable broth to saute my onions, and I'm going to cook them until they're translucent. I am now going to add 3 chopped garlic cloves to the pan, and I'm going to saute those as well. I am now going to be adding all the vegetables to the pan, as well as my chopped up extra firm tofu, and then I'm going to be using my veggie broth and fill it up just over the vegetables and tofu. We're now going to use the seasonings, and I'm using garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, a little bit of sea salt, black pepper, some parsley flakes, and I'm going to be using the vegan chickenless seasoning from Trader Joe's. I did not measure my seasonings, I just pretty much guesstimated, but I will leave the measurements in the description box below. You're going to give everything a good stir, and once you get everything mixed well, you're then going to turn your pilot up on high, and once it comes to a boil, then you're going to turn it down to medium low, and you're going to let it simmer for at least 15 to 20 minutes or until your potatoes are tender. In order to get the thickness to your creamy pot pie, I'm going to be making a thickening agent. I'm going to be using almond milk, and I'm going to be using some oat flour, and I'm going to mix that to the consistency of cornbread mixture or either pancake mixture. I'm going to add it to the pan, and then I'm going to mix it up really well until it's completely mixed in. And then I'm going to turn my fire down to low and let it simmer. And as it simmers, it's going to thicken up. I am now adding my pre-made pie crust. If you want to know how I make this pie crust, please reference to the description box below. Once you get that very creamy consistency, then it is ready to put into your pie crust. I am using some almond milk and turmeric to kind of clean up the excess flour on the pie crust. Oh wow, this smells so delicious already. We're now adding the top piece of the crust. I am now going to be taking my fork and pressing down on the edges of the pie crust to make the imprints for the pie. I am taking that same mixture of almond milk and turmeric, and I'm going to spread some across the top of the pie.